Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AYTU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Now, I get it. A lot of kind of confusion with the chart. Is this a good-looking chart? Is it a bad-looking chart? Because it did make such a big move this morning and then a pretty big pullback. So I get it, the confusion. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? And to me, that is why this level right here at $7.50 is a very important level. In my opinion, I would call this a must-hold level, a do-or-die level, whatever dramatic term you can think of. And why is that area so important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just from an explanation stake standpoint, if the price were to come down to that area, behave like that, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, because to be fair, if the price came down here, it could be, because no price can go straight up. So if it does pull back more, but then bounces in the upwards direction, well, at least at that point in time, you'd still have some signs of progress. You'd still have a set of lows there, You envision those as stair steps. And there you go. You have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, which is what you want to see. And that's also why I wouldn't sit here and say that the entire chart is destroyed. Is the chart looking kind of shaky? Yeah, it's definitely looking shaky, but that doesn't mean that the entire thing is epically destroyed either. But for me, that 750 mark is certainly going to be very important moving forward. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of attempted bounce, 950 going to be public enemy number one from that perspective. But yeah, things are looking shaky right now. They're not quite ruined, but it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.